the role of single parents in children's life. Whenever we hear the word family, our mind strikes on one father, one mother, and one or more children. Children grow up with the help of both parents. But life does not always go the way we expect. Sometimes because of separation, death, or any other reason, a child may have only one parent to take care of them. This parent is called single parent. A single parent doesn't live two lives. They live 100 small ones every single day. They are a mother and father, teacher and friend, sword and shield, all wrapped into one beating heart. While most homes echo with the two voices, their home echoes with the one, tired, broken, but strong and brave. They have to prepare breakfast like a mother and rushes to work like a father. They hide their pain behind their smile. They skip meals for their child who doesn't deserve to skip dreams. They become the wall between their child and world storms. Their strength doesn't come from muscle. It comes from love, pure and unconditional. Now let's look through the eyes of the child. A child of a single parent carries heart full of gratitude and guilt. It often stays silent, not because it has nothing to say, but because it fears adding one more burden on the shoulders of their parents already carrying so much. It knows the cost of its parents' struggle. It notices the tears wiped away in the dark. Every joy feels half celebrated. Every drink feels too expensive, but still, it never stops loving its parent. Society thinks single parent child can't grow properly, as there will be imperfection in love of mom and strength of dad. But the reality is, single parent child grow very well by seeing the efforts taken by its parent and the problems faced by its parent without giving up. So today, let us salute every single father who became a mother, every single mother who became a father, and every single child who learned to love through struggle. Coming to the topic, single parents don't just play the role of two people, they play the role of miracle. Let me share a story to show how a single parent child gets raised from the efforts of its parents for a better understanding. The name of the story is The Silent Spark. In the quiet streets of Oxford, during the dark days of World War II, a baby was born to wonder the world exactly the day of Galileo's death anniversary. The first person to hold him, whispering hope into his tiny ears, was the single mother named Isobel, who had lost her husband. Isobel wasn't a famous scientist, nor did she live a luxury life. She was an intelligent and determined woman who had studied philosophy, economics, politics at Oxford, something rare for a woman of her time. But more than her degrees, it was a belief in curiosity and courage that defined her. When her child was a boy, their home wasn't filled with expensive toys. It was filled with the books, thick and dusty ones that seemed too big for a child to read. But Isobel never stopped him. She encouraged him to explore, to question, to wonder. She saw something different in her child, a restless mind that wanted to understand how the universe worked. So she gave him the freedom to think different. That freedom became a seed of his genius. Then came the hardest moment when the boy was diagnosed with a varices. Now, I would like to act out the situation by changing my role as Isobel, her son, and the doctor. Mama, I feel so weak and I can't speak and breathe properly. Oh my God, what happens to you? We must see a doctor right now. Now the setting is hospital. Here stands the doctor with the stethoscope, and here stands Isobel with the shawl, and here sits the boy with his illness on this chair. How many days have you had these symptoms? About 3 days, doctor. checks him with the stethoscope and steps out to meet Isobel. What's wrong, doctor? I'm sorry. Your son has a rare disease named the motor neuron disease. That has not cured. He may not be able to speak and walk. He might not survive after a few years. I'm going to die, right? You're done, my son. I know. But don't worry about your death that comes after years. Doctor spoke about years, but I believe in moments. And your moments will change the history. You may lose your voice, my son, but I know. The universe will learn to speak through you. Doctors can say what they can. You decide what your life will be. That one sentence became his strength. He went on to write a brief history of time which unlocked the mysteries of black holes and changed the entire world's understanding of the cosmos. And behind all of that, behind every idea, every discovery, every speech he gave through his computer voice was a single mother who had once held a curious boy and told him, keep asking questions. So my dear friends, can you guess who the boy is? If you guess the name of the scientist starting with the yes, then you're correct. Yes, he is the greatest well-known scientist, Stephen Hawking, the child of a single mother. I think now we can catch the point. That behind every successful child, there is a single parent who never gives up. Thank you all for listening to my speech and thanks for giving this marvelous opportunity. Before I say, I want to conclude my speech with a passion by singing a short song, not as a single parent, but as a single mother child. Yes, I had a dad, but a woman taught me how to be a man. At the age of 6, my parents split.